Okay, so this one here's the disc sander. The way it works, really big disc on the inside here with an abrasive sandpaper on it. It spins anti-clockwise. All right. Reason that's important, this blank off here stops you working on this half of the disc. If this wasn't here, what would happen as it's spinning really fast, it would grab your material from here and lift it up. And if you're not holding on tight, it'll throw it across the other side of the room, and that can be very dangerous for other people. The thing you need to remember though, on the outside of the disc, it'll spin faster than on the inside of the disc. So out here on the outside, it'll take more material off quicker, and on the inside, it's for doing a bit more precise work. It's not designed to take a large amount of material off. It's just designed to clean up after you have done your rough cut on either the radial arm saw or a tenon saw. Safety wise, there's an emergency stop here. Okay, it's there not to hit with your hand. It's at that height so that you can just lean on it so that your hands are always on the material in case of an emergency. On off up here and obviously at the wall as well. Make sure you only ever use this machine with the extraction on, otherwise it can get very dusty in here and that can cause issues for asthmatics or just anybody if you're in here for too long.